WTF? What? I'll tell you what. This company sucks. I debated long and hard. Do I unbox this? Do I create a video? On the one hand, I have a channel where my content, half of it is unboxing videos. The other side was like, hell no, I'm not going to promote for free this company. Let me explain. So for those of you who follow me, thank you. If anyone's new, welcome. While you're hanging out watching, I would love for you to click the thumbs up and subscribe. But this box, by the way, this is Testtube from New Beauty. It's a beauty subscription, which comes every other month. So it's bi-monthly. The last unboxing I did was in November. And I canceled. Or so I thought. First of all, they're shady. Their website has been broken or not functioning, I want to say since last May, possibly March. I wanted to update something on my account or change out the debit card I had on file, and I couldn't log into my account. And then thought, oh, I just don't remember my password. Click the thing to change password. It was like, sorry, this account doesn't exist. I'm like, what? So I called them, and they're like, oh, well, let me help you out. What do you want to do? I can help you do that. And I'm like, well, I want to change my password or log into my account. And they gave some BS story like, oh, we're aware it's not working. They're working to fix it. Cut to end of October, November. It's still not working. In this day and age where e-commerce and having a website is the norm, why would it take 6+ months to fix your website for accounts? Suspicious. So on that call, I said, oh, I want to cancel. Sure, not a problem. Went on with my life. Filmed the last box. Put a big old canceled. Told you all I'm canceling. So then on December 31st, pops up on my little notification that I got an email from yours truly here. Testtube. You've been charged for, I forget, $194. I'm like, what? Because what I had in the account is you get the best deal if you know you're going to stick with a subscription for a while to pay annually. It's a significant discount. I thought I canceled. Guess what? They charged me for an entire year again. So I'm like, boo, 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 boo. Yes. And they're like, well, do you have proof that you canceled? I'm like, I called, look up in your records. I think the guy's name was Angel. He had a Spanish accent. I just get this runaround like, oh, we're sorry, but once it's billed, we can't undo it. If you have proof or an email that it was canceled, I'm like, why I oughta. So then I'm like, can you cancel me now? Sure. I'm like, can I get that email proof? Yes. And I'm like, I'll wait while we're on the call. Oh, well, it will take up to 24 hours for an email. I'm like, what the? It's a freaking email. It doesn't take 24 hours to send an email. I could walk it to your house faster than 24 hours. So don't tell me that. So then I wait. 3 days go by. A week goes by. I'm like, really? So I freaking send an email this time. And I'm like, I want to cancel. I want proof. I want blah, blah, blah. So now at least I have in writing. And miracle of miracles, the account now I can log in. Huh. Sorry, I got all passionate and heated up again. I was pissed. And talking about it again now is making me pissed all over again. So, I'm going to unbox this just because I want to tear into them even more. And hey, it's a video for my channel. So if anyone's interested, it's $29.95 a month. No, every other month. It used to be one of my favorite boxes over a year ago. It was pretty good. It has gone downhill quickly. Like they started putting in really, really weird products. Like it was getting very heavy on the skincare, not a lot of makeup. which, you know, I like skincare. But then when they started too many filler, like, not even just like bath salts, like weird, like bath oils, stuff for the V area, stuff like just toothpaste, just weird, like very on the edge of what you can consider beauty. I mean, technically it's beauty, but it's not skincare or makeup. So, if you're still here, leave a comment. I'm normally very chipper and happy and funny, but this irritated the bleep out of me. I cannot stand shady people. I cannot stand bad customer service. And this had all of that mixed in. All right, let me take a breather so that I don't pop a vein. All right, they no longer have a card. You have to scan the little QR code. It says, new year, new tube. We shall see about that. And there is something outside the tube, which I can feel. All right, so the tube, is it a repeat? No, we got a slightly different color. This is what the tube is. It's literally a tube, which I wonder if somebody works there in hindsight was, usually we have to throw stuff in a bigger box because it doesn't fit the tube. Why did we go with the tube? I don't know. All right, let me get rid of this. Nope. Starting off, here we go. Forgot to mention the other crap they do is give supplements. At least we get an entire box. Sometimes they give you one little package that has like 2 pills. You're like, all right, so first item, LIPO-SPHERIC Vitamin C. Dietary supplement utilizing liposomal encapsulated to, I don't know. I'm not going to use it because I do not like anything, just anything that you have to put into water. I like the taste of just ice water. All right, next item. What do we have here? Oh, yeah, another, is this a mascara? What is this? They love this brand. This is from Grande Cosmetics, and it's the Grande Primer. It's PRE-MASCARA, Lengthener, and Thickener. All right, well, this is what she looks like. It does come safety sealed. I will need to think if I want to use this or set this aside. The reason is because I'm pretty sure it's not going to be waterproof, and I don't know how a waterproof mascara on top of this would work. I'll have to do some research. All right. Next item. All right, what do we have here? This seems to be from a brand I'm not familiar with called NEOSTRATA. Correct. Intensive renewal. Wait, where's the English? What is this? Okay, here we go. Comprehensive retinol eye cream. Okay, well, I love an eye cream. Retinol's really good for mature, aging skin. All right, and it comes with a pump. This looks nice. I'm not even going to smell it, squirt it, watch it, just because I have so many going. And all right. Next item we have from ONEKIND, and this here is something, what is this? Dream Cream. Oh, it's a nighttime moisturizer with squalene and rosehip oil. Ooh, of all the skincare I get night creams the least, and I was kind of like wanting a new night cream. Is this? Okay, it is safety sealed. My only concern is rosehip oil. Does it smell like roses, or will this be okay? All right, next item. What is this? It honestly felt like a candy bar or something. What is this? We have, oh, looks like saltine crackers, or maybe I'm just hungry. What are you? Mother of pearl lighting effect. T.TAIO Esponjabon. Okay, so I speak fluent Spanish. So jabon is soap. It feels like soap. Oh, it says, wait, sponge. So it's a 2-in-1 multifunctional. I'm going to assume it's half sponge, half soap. All right. It still feels really squishy like a candy bar. Interesting. I don't know. It's probably a good product, but in an almost $30 a month, and it maybe I get it for $29.95 or every other month because I pay annually. Maybe it's more like $35. I don't know. I don't want to. Give me a cream, a lotion, makeup. Do you hear me? New Beauty makeup. All right, what do we have here? This is the Miss Spa PORE Double Detox Peel Off Mask with volcanic ash and orange oil. I typically don't like masks just because I'm lazy. 15 to 20 minutes, nah. If I do a mask, it has to be like 5 minutes or less that I'm a multitasker. That could be on my face as I'm shaving my legs in the shower or something. 15 to 20 minutes means you got to do it before you get in the shower. All right, so this will probably be in a future giveaway. All right, 2 more products. What do we have here? Very tiny. Hopefully it's makeup. What are you? MANNA KADAR Lip Balancing Color Chemistry Lip Balm. All right, now you're speaking my language. How's your day going? Is it better than mine? Oh, yeah. Apologies for being all cranky, but this brand makes me cranky. Interesting. Okay. So it's a very soft pink. It says lip. Oh no. It got onto the lid there. I don't know if I'll pick up. It like smushed. I have lots of lip product on, and I have a feeling this is the type that has pH and then shifts, so I don't even want to try because it won't show up, but I'll be curious to give that a go when I'm not already wearing 5 different products. All right, and the last item, what do we have here? Feels and looks like you're going to be a lip pencil. Is that right? Okay, this is from Doll 10, and it's the Lip Genius. But apparently I'm not smart enough to take the lid off. Oh, let me know. Have you ever had a lip pencil or eye pencil where you had to screw it and not just pull it off? That explains why I couldn't do what I was trying. All right, so it is kind of a darker, what color would that be? A dark mauve, kind of I could probably pull it off. Honestly, I just don't. Other than today, I decided to wear a lip pencil. I usually don't do it because A, I'm lazy, B, why bother? So I kind of want to swatch it, but I kind of don't because I think this is going to go in a giveaway. All right, well, that's all she wrote. Let me pull up this online thing, and as I recap, I'll mention what the prices are. From Grande Cosmetics, we got the Grande Mascara Primer, which retails for $25. We got a Night Cream Moisturizer, 50 ml, which retails for $38. We got a supplement drink mix for vitamin C, which retails for $37. We got a detox peel-off mask, which retails for $15. We got a 2-in-1 soaked sponge, which retails for $5. We got a lip liner from Doll 10, which retails for $18. We got a lip balm from MANNA KADAR, which retails for $19. And a retinol eye cream, which retails for $54. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm in too pissy of a mood to give an honest review. I'm like, grumble. Honestly, I think like 3 months ago, if I got this box, it would have been, wow, this is the best box we've had in a while. This is pretty good. Today, I'm feeling not so good. Normally, I would have been like, ooh, makeup, a lip liner, and then the MANNA KADAR lip balm. I would have been excited about that. I am excited about getting the night cream. And I'm excited, as always, for an eye cream. Even back then, I would have been, peel off mask. Would not, no. And I'm on the fence on this one. But let me know your thoughts. What did you feel about this box? Try to take aside any empathy for me being pissed off. Looking at the products alone, what do you think? All right, I'm going to list the MSRP value. Let's see if that comes into play. One of the things was 54. 50, it's going to be over or around 150 bucks, which is pretty good value for 30. Let's round up. My math, that's just a guesstimate. Maybe it's closer to 175. I won't know until I get into editing and look everything up. All right. Thank you so much for putting up with me. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. I promise I'm not normally this cranky. And for those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.